I mean, okay. That's what I'm talking about. Anybody else? I'm in. Work. Yep, looks like everybody's in. Alright, I'm going to Walmart. Just follow me. Okay. Come on, guys. Work! Alright, here goes nothing. I can't fit. Nope, just me and you. Alright, I'm going. Bruh. Hey, wait, guys. I'll stay back here. Watch out for Grape. Okay? Alright. Come on, guys. Ouch. Anybody else coming? Bruh, I can't believe I had a soft landing. Wait, where's the other chase? Yeah, where's the other chase at?